class. We are going to start with the Culmann's method today. So Culmann's method we are going to learn today. This is the problem we are going to solve today on AutoCAD. You have to solve it on a simple graph paper. So in simple graph paper, you have to take it vertical, portrait, in a portrait manner. Okay. So this graph, you have to solve it taking scale as the height is given to you. If it is 6 meter, 7 meter, as it is, you have to take. Don't reduce the scale since you have to draw this Kuhlmann's curve and you have to take the tangent here. Okay. So the numerical is a retaining wall of height 6 meter and with smooth vertical pressure, face remains horizontal, backfill of cohesionless soil having phi equals to 35 degree and gamma equals to 20 kilonewton per meter cube. So determine the active thrust on the retaining wall using Kuhlmann's method. Also solve the point of application and direction of the thrust. That means you have to calculate the active earth pressure PA. So here you have your height as 6 meter, horizontal backfill, that means your backfill is making 90-degree vertical with the soil. Phi is given to you as 35 degree, gamma equals to 20 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, so this you have to draw. You have not given here xi angle, so xi angle we have to take as horizontal backfill is given to you. That means theta here, batter angle is 0, so that's why xi angle you will take xi minus xi equals to 90 minus delta minus theta. So delta internal frictional wall angle is not given to you. So if it is not given to you, you will assume it as 20 degree and batter angle is 0. So that's why xi will be 90 minus 20 minus 0 equals to 70 degree. So let us draw the graph. You have to take a simple graph paper. So here I will draw here in AutoCAD, but you have to draw in a simple graph paper. I've taken some horizontal line for marking the angle. Phi you have given as 35 degree. Okay. And height you have 6 meters, so you will take 6 meter height. So you will draw some horizontal line from here as it is 90 degree to the inclination. Angle phi. So here what is angle phi given? Angle phi is 35 degree. So here from here mark angle phi equals to 45 degree, 35 degree. You can see that this is your angle. You don't have to intersect that, so let it be whatever it is. And xi angle is here 70 degree. So this is 35. So from here it will be again 35 degree. So you will draw this angle 35 degree from horizontal here also. I am taking it mirror, but you will not take mirror. You will measure this 35 degree. ठीक है? तो ये angle बन गया आपका xi and that angle is phi. Simple graph paper you have to take. So simple graph paper vertical you have to take so that it will be smooth curve you will get. Okay. Okay. So this is your ring. You have to take some intervals as per the requirement. So I am taking the interval for 1:1. This interval you have to draw by your own. You take 1 meter or you can take 2 meter And trials, whatever you want to take, you can continue with the trials. But I am taking here 5 as given in the book. Okay. So this is 1 meter, and we are taking the trial intervals. So 5 trial intervals we are taking here. So this will be C1, C2, C3, C4 and C5. So this is C1, will be C2, C3, C4 and C5. Okay. So this is your C5 here. So we have taken the trials. From here also you have to take 5 intervals, as you have taken 5 intervals on the horizontal surface here. So here you have to take again. Okay. So with the xi angle here also you have to take 1 meter distance. So that 1 meter distance we are taking. So again 1 meter distance we have to take. I'm just marking over here. It will be 1 meter here. So again you have to continue this 1 meter trial from one line to another. So these are again 5 lines. Now whatever C1, C2 you have taken, you have to join it with this first point from where you have marked your phi angle. So this will be your phi angle here, and this will be your weights. Okay. So this will be, I'm writing only one, so that will be your weight 1 here. Okay, so this is weight 1, weight 2, weight 3, weight 4 and weight 5. Now what you have to do is, here you have to do the calculations. You have to calculate all the weights whatever given. So how you will calculate all the weights? So see this is the graph you have to draw. Okay. So this is the graph you have to draw. This curve we need to draw. For drawing this, you have to calculate all these weights. So how you are going to calculate these weights? So these are your weights. You have to take wedges, wedge, height, breadth, area, gamma, weight, and scale. Okay. So here from first ABC1. So what is ABC1 here? So this is ABC1. This is ABC2. This is ABC3. ABC4. ABC5. Okay. So height is same. Your breadth is just increasing because your breath is running from one interval to 5 intervals. So this will be AC1 first breath, AC2 second breath, AC3 third breath, AC4 fourth breath, and AC5 fifth breath. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All the breaths you have to measure from the point A to C1, A to C3, A to C4, and A to C5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Calculate the area as it is right angle triangle. So 1/2 base into height. When you calculate, you will get the area. Gamma is given to you 20. It is universal for all the wedges. Then you have to calculate weight. Weight you calculate by area into gamma. So 3 into 20 you will get 60 degree. Now scale angle. So here we are taking scale 1 centimeter equals to 60 kilonewton per meter. So 60 upon 60 that will be 1. 120 upon 60 it will be 2. 180 upon 60 it will be 3. 240 upon 60 equals to 4 and 300 upon 60 equals to 5. This is your C2 line. This will be your C3 line. This will be your C4 line. This will be your C5 line. Now you have to join these lines via smooth curve. Okay, so this is the smooth curve. पेंसिल से आपको ड्रॉ करना है फ्रॉम पॉइंट बी. So I am drawing this three curves, but you will draw it a simple curve. Okay, और यहाँ पे भी मैं, तो ये बन गया आपका सिंपल कर्व. फिर रोलर स्केल यू विल कीप ऑन द गाय लाइन, and when you keep the roller scale on the guy line you will draw one tangent to this curve like this. So this is known as your Culmann's curve. और जहाँ कहीं भी ये intersect हो रहा है from this point anywhere, then intersection point you will draw one line. So this is your E and F. Okay. So this is your E and F. You have to measure this line, and by measuring this line, you will get PA. So PA equals to half gamma into EF equals to half gamma